Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Grace. Let me know where you're watching from. Comment it in the comment section and also like this video. So today we are preparing egusi soup, and I start by boiling my meat. This is beef. I use all my natural spices, thyme, curry, and every other thing, but the only thing I didn't use here is seasoning cube. And I have my kale leaf. I'm going to be using kale leaf. I've already washed it, and spinach. This is my chicken, my pepper, crayfish. Those are the things I'm using. Yeah, so and I have my pepper, onion, my shrimps, my iru. So iru is one natural spice that adds taste to our soup, and this is pork, you guys. I'm going to be using pork, and this is me. Yeah, so come along with me as I prepare this delicious egusi soup. Yeah, so I'm going to be sharing all I use, and at this point I just came to stir my meat again. And this video is from one of my vlog, so I just thought to just share the full recipe here for those people that would love to know how I cook my egusi soup, you guys. Yeah, so don't forget to like the video and also share. I'm under the weather, you guys can see from my voice. Yeah, so I've been into a lot lately. Cold, I've been sick. That's why I've not been consistent, and a lot of things which I'll be sharing with you guys later. Yeah, so let's get into the cooking. Yeah, and this blend, I've already reviewed it with you guys. It's really good. It's a food processor. I really love the brand. And you guys, I'm just trying to blend all I'm using bell pepper, onions, and my scotch bonnets. So these are the things I'm using basically, because I love my egusi soup to be so colorful. So hence that is the reason I'm using my bell pepper. Yeah, so if you want to have that colorful egusi like you see now, you can use your bell pepper. Yeah, I can't remember the quantity of bell pepper, probably 2 or 4. I'm not really sure again. So yeah, you can check out the blender in my video. I'll put it in the end screen for you to check out this blender. It's really good. Yeah, it's so versatile. I love it. And at this point I just want to grill my pork. Is already roasted, but I just wanted to roast it again, and I put in my chicken just to boil it together with the beef. So at this point it's cooking. Yeah, so my pot is already on fire, as you guys can see, and I'll go in with my palm oil. Yeah, so if you're watching this video and you're not from Africa, you can get your palm oil in Africa, in African markets. Yeah, so this is my palm oil directly from Nigeria. Yeah, so I'm not going to use a lot. I don't use a lot of palm oil like that, because egusi soup is already having oil itself. So I'll go in with my onions, as you guys can see, and fry it for a bit. And this is my egusi.
This is
So egusi is a seed.
So
We blend it. It's already blended, and I
before.
mix with water here, as you guys can
So
see.
I
Yeah,
wanted to do a
so
before, but I changed my
I'll be
mind to
frying it.
egusi. It's been a long time. So I will allow it to cook on a low medium heat so that it will not burn. Yeah, before I stir it together. Someone gave me this fish. I'm going to use it. Catfish. So I also have my shrimps seasoned with Italian seasoning, curry, and that's all. Yeah, that's what I used. So I want to put a little bit of salt. These are the major things I want to use. And my euro locust base. This is my crayfish. I got it from African store here. So I just open our egusi. So this is my egusi after stirring it, you guys. I'll pour my my pepper now. So that's it here, guys. You see, I slow cooked it. You see, I'll put my pepper now. So this is chili pepper and bell pepper and onions. That's what I mixed together here, and garlic, you guys. So I will now pour water to let it cook. You see some people complaining that egusi make them to purge just because they didn't prepare it very well. You need to prepare your egusi properly so that it will not make you purge. That's one thing about my egusi. It doesn't make me purge. It doesn't make my family purge. So I'll just pour the water from the meat now, the meat stock. So I pour the water from the meat. More water. Then leave it to cook properly though. Look how it's looking, you guys. I'll allow it to cook for like 15 minutes. Yeah, our pork is done. I want to fry some of the beef and the chicken. Another thing that will add flavor to my food is this crayfish. I will just blend it now. I'll blend it. So I'll pour my blended crayfish. I'm going to use it generously because no seasoning cube will go into this meal, you guys. Then I'll add my fish, you guys. I need to put I'll put my euro. The euro will release flavor. It's spicy just the way I want it, you guys. Let me show you. So after adding the euro, you guys, this thing is so delicious. I've already added my salt off camera. Look at my face. It's really, really delicious. I love the taste, you guys. So I will add my beef right now. I'm frying some of it because I want that fried taste. Yeah, frying it, I mean. We add my smoked pig pork. So I fried it. I'll add some of it. I will leave the big ones. I added the small one. Okay, can you see that? And there's no much oil, palm oil, just little bit. I have my some of the air fried beef and shrimps. I'll just add it now. It's like my battery is low. You guys, this soup is so delicious, really delicious. Can you see this? Can you see this? of cooking. Give me the queen of good meals. And guess what, you guys? My husband brought me mortar and pestle from Nigeria. You guys, when I went to African store the last time, I saw mortar and pestle, and I didn't budget for it, so I had to just put $19 down to tie it down, because we have a couples of the mortar and people are already booking for it, so I booked it. My husband just paid for the rest and brought it right now. So you guys, this is a kale. Can you just take a look at this? This soup is sweet without mangi seasoning cube. You guys, we can eat without all those things. Daniel! Oh my god. So that's it. Hey guys, it's finally done, and this vegetable is really good. Can you see? It's really good. It's really good. I'm loving it. It's really good. Yeah, give me the queen of good meals. I love this. I love this. Ooh. And our pounded yam, let me come and peel my yam and prepare my pounded yam right from United States. You guys.